Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to be going over some steps that you can use to keep yourself safe as you drive, at least relatively safe as you drive. You can't be completely safe, but you know, you can be safe enough by following some simple safety tips. Okay, so when you go into a car, first thing you do is put on your seatbelt. Always put on your seatbelt before you drive anywhere. Make sure you put on your seatbelt. Okay, seatbelt's on. You're driving down the street, you're gonna make a left turn. Make sure you put on your turn signal. Left signal is down, right signal is up. Right? Make sure you use your turn signal. Another thing, I want you to pay attention to your speed limit. Whatever the posted speed is, you know, if it's 45, that would be your maximum speed. Doesn't mean that you have to drive 45, because you know, there's no rule that says you must drive maximum speed. So you drive at a safe speed with a limit of 45. So between 35 and 45 is usually pretty good. Okay, another thing that you do, make sure you're traveling at a safe traveling distance. You know, for every 10 miles per hour that you're going, you want to make sure that you have two cars between you and the car in front of you. 10 miles per hour, every 10 miles, 2 car lengths. And again, that is approximate because you cannot go out and measure it, so you have to, you know, approximate the distance between you and the guy in front of you. All right, one more thing is, you always look into the blind spot when you're changing lanes. The blind spot is beside you, so you're gonna look into your rear view mirrors, look into your side mirrors, and then look into the blind spot. The blind spot is beside you. Never change lane without going through the steps. Rear view mirror first, side mirror second, blind spot third. Okay, so those are some of the tips that will keep you relatively safe on the road. Okay, so try to follow those tips and like this video and subscribe. Thank you.